Go close to mommy.
Daddy, look. Can I do it?
Yeah. Just keep it in one direction. Just keep it steady.
I'm just showing the camera around.
Oh, the camera's a 360, so it always has everything recorded.
California still.
Why is he burying his head in the ground? Look, he's right there. Come on, Caitlin, look, right there. Right there, see that shadow?
Yes.
Follow his shadow.
Where?
Right there, right there. Right
Here?
there. Yeah. You can see his shadow. You see his shadow. You see his shadow, right?
Look at
Oh yeah, there's another one. Wow. Okay, don't get too close. Don't get too close. We're not supposed to get too close.
Can I?
Yeah. Maybe they'll come outside eventually. Very good in video. You move it too much. Look, there's a pelican. Oh, there. He's right there. Look, Caitlin, left.
Where?
Right there to the left.
Ooh,
See? You see that right there?
What was that? Where you just do it? I saw it! It's over there!
Where?
Do you see his little shadow?
Oh yeah,
right
yeah.
there.
I see him in the shadow. I see the shadow.
He's swimming over there.
Well, there's one that's over there too, by the rock.
I heard something.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, I saw you.
Oh yeah, I see the striped one.
It's a little cow. Daddy too. Daddy.
Huh? What?